Alright, this video is showing you how to work FRQ number 12. It's the one that has the diagram that looks like this. Alright, let's take a look at letter A. Calculate the volume in cubic meters of each of the following. And AI says the water infiltrated through the landfill per year. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the area of the landfill by the volume that flows into the landfill. Alright, so they should tell us we've got 200 millimeters of rainfall per year, 50% of it goes through the landfill. So first thing we got to do is we've got to get this millimeters into meters. So I'm going to set up some dimensional analysis. 200 millimeters divided by 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter equals 0.2 meters. Alright, now I'm going to multiply that times the 10,000 meters squared, that's the surface area of the landfill, and that'll give me the volume of the landfill, which is 2,000 cubic meters. But then they tell me only 50% of it actually makes it through. So that's going to give me 1,000 cubic meters that actually infiltrates through the landfill. Alright, AII reads calculate the volume in cubic meters of the leachate that is treated per year. So looking at this diagram again, the leachate, 90% of it makes it to the drainage system and is treated. So I'm going to take that 1,000 cubic meters, multiply it by 0.9 for 90%, and I'm going to get 900 cubic meters of that water is treated as leachate. Alright, let's take a look at B. Given that the cadmium concentration in the water draining from the landfill is 2 grams per cubic meter, calculate the mass in kilograms of cadmium that is released into the surrounding soil per year. Alright, so 2 grams per cubic meter of cadmium is released into the surrounding soil per year. Oh, sorry, that goes to treatment, that goes to soil. So looking at B, I've got 100 cubic meters times 2 grams, because this is the amount that is not treated as leachate of that original 1,000, because 900 cubic meters is. So I've got 2 grams per cubic meter. And then it said that that had to be in kilograms. So I set up my units so that there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram, and now cubic meters cancels out, gram cancels out, and I'm left with kilogram for my answer. And my answer is 0.2 kilograms of cadmium per year that makes it into the surrounding soil.